Hi guys, today I have 8 Funko exclusive pops. Right now I'll be unboxing this one. This is a GameStop exclusive. It's a Nightmare on Elm Street 8-bit pop number 25. It's Freddy Krueger. And this just came out a few days ago and I received it in the mail. The back is really similar to this one, the Friday the 13th one. So you can see. These are both like really cool pops, especially because of 8-bit. But I just opened this one, so you could check that video out on my channel as well. It will be up before this one. It's actually uploading right now. So I have this background in the back, which is why the camera is angled up a little bit higher than usual. So comment down below and tell me if you like a background or not, because I have enough Funko Pops to make a background. So it's not hard for me to make it. So tell me if you prefer a white background or a background with a bunch of Funko Pops or something. Same thing for like Pokemon videos and Happy Meal videos. I can make separate backgrounds in most videos. So this looks really cool and feels really cool as well. Let me just move this to the side. Very cool. You can see a tiny bit of glue over here. There are sometimes slight defects in Funko Pops, but there are a lot of details. Like, because of the glue, it looks like they actually put this together. And if you also like 8-bit pops, I opened a few of the Predator ones in the GameStop Black Friday mystery boxes, and I'm not going to tell you the other ones I pulled because that would spoil the surprise for you. So I'll just set this right over here. I should probably reposition the camera. There we go. So yeah, make sure you comment down below and let me know whether you like the background or not. And also tell me which 8-bit pop is your favorite. Almost at one full rotation. There we go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.